Alright, so this is the day 2 of our tour in Vietnam.
No, don't touch me.
Why? Why?
You're getting old. Sabi niya sir, that I have. No, I can manage myself.
Akbayan mo yung mami mo.
No, I'm not.
Help mo yung mami mo.
No, mommy, are you?
She's getting old. Come on.
No,
Ang taas nito, ang taas nito. Simon, assist mo yung mami mo. Matanda na siya. Let's go. Ready? Bye, guys! Bibilis yan. Simon, hold it. You wanna take it slow, Max?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Hey, why you ride so fast, Ernest? Don't go so fast. And I could make it fast. Oh, picture. Hey! I love it. This is a lot. Thank you. Kinuha rin tayo ng meal ni Ella. Okay? Morning guys. So this is the second day here at Vietnam. Okay naman yung food. This is the food from our hotel. Hi again.
Can I put?
By the way, the tour package is only 16,000 pesos. Very affordable. Actually, sobrang cheap niya para sa 4 days of tour. Meron ka ng hotel accommodation. Included ang plane ticket, lahat na.
Pero last year pa lang ito
Nila.
September.
Durian tea. Guyabano, mommy, is not durian. Good. Alright, so this is the day 2 of our tour in Vietnam. We have a private tour ngayon nito. Let's go! Tabi kami ng jowa ko. Alright, as of today guys, naka-recover na kami sa pagod na travel namin from Philippines sa punta dito. Siyempre yung puyat, bawi na din. At ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Cat Village. I don't have idea kung anong meron doon. And I don't do my research. Basta tignan lang natin kung anong ma-experience natin yun. So, yung mga kids, ayun na rin sila. Hi kids! Ikaw, Boss Ella, nakabawi ka ba sa pagod?
Yes.
Good. Let's take a look the clothing na meron sila dito. And guys, so this is a traditional clothing nila. Located at Cat Village, CAT. Parang Peru ang dating, no? So, i-walk around ko lang kayo, guys. Makita niyo kung gaano ka-colorful yung kanilang mga kasuotan. Yan, no? Ito pala yung kasuotan ng mga taga rito sa Vietnam. Ganito pala yun. Di ba meron kayong Vietnam suit na sinuot noon? Ganyan ba yun?
Si Max ata yun?
Si Max, oo. If you're not wearing traditional clothes, I'll drive you down to the Cat gate now. Yes, please. Let's go there. Thank you. The entrance fee to the village is 150,000. Okay.
How many hours?
So, mami, tayo self-tour na tayo dito. Saan tayo ngayon daw?
Ipupunta niya tayo dito.
Dito tayo pupunta. Tapos maglalakad tayo pupunta dito. Get down. Yes, we're gonna walk. Come on girls, come on boys. So, kanya-kanyang lakad na to guys. Magkikita lang tayo ng tour guide natin, yung driver natin mamaya. So, imagine nyo, no? Mabait ka ng 150,000 Vietnam money just to explore their village, di ba? Sana may ganun din tayo, no? Andito tayo ngayon sa loob ng Cat Village. Yan, dito nagiging tindahan pala to sa morning, no? Ito yung mga bahay nila, naging tindahan na, no? Yung painting.
Hello, let's shop.
Hello. Ito, pag nagpicture ka dyan, sa bahay na yan, mayroong 10,000 Vietnam money. Ganda dito, boss ah. What?
This is at Cat Village.
Dog village. Mas madaming dog kaysa sa cat. Come on, take a photo. Too much photo. Dito ako.
Sir is gone.
1, 2, 3.
Hi.
Mahaba pa pala.
Saan na tayo?
Andiyan pa lang tayo.
Saan?
Ito.
So, pababa tayo. Asan na yun?
Ayan. Going to
Oh,
waterfall.
tara. Waterfall na tayo. Konti na lang. Mag-exit na tayo.
Ayaw ni Ella kasi puro paninda daw. Come on, guys.
No! Don't touch me!
Why? Why?
You're getting old. Sabi niya sir. No! Ate Mars yourself.
Akbayan mo yung mami mo.
No! I'm not.
Help mo yung mami mo.
No, Mom, you're useless.
She's getting old. Come on.
No,
Ang taas nito, ang taas nito. Simon, assist mo yung mami mo. Matanda na siya. Where's the way going to parking 2? Parking 2?
Yeah, go here.
Straight ahead. Okay. Parang gusto ko yan. Tapos doon tayo. Enjoy natin muna dito, mami.
Sausage. Hey, who wants sausage?
Ito, sausage si Max.
Who want barbecue?
Ako barbecue.
Okay.
Only 2 pieces. Wow, what's that? A hot dog. Wow, cheers guys. Happy kayo? Wow.
Boy, yung. Here, Simon. Boy, yung.
Bakit boyoyoyong?
Come here. Boy, yung.
Uy! Uy! Shh! Mami na eh. Binata na. Hermes, enjoy. Ganda, no? Say, ako'y ka lang? Enjoy your day. This is your day off.
So good.
I know. Tara, kain tayo. Kaya ako barbecue. Let's eat. Aya, sayang. Ayan. Nadumihan ka na. Nagtapon. Get your stick. Get your stick.
Ay mo na. Okay.
Don't throw garbage. Put it here. Put it here.
There?
Never throw garbage, okay?
Okay, go.
Alright, we're going down na nga. So ito, puro pababa na to eh. Malapit na kami dun sa may parking area. Pero ang pinaka-highlights talaga yung nandun sa waterfalls. Medyo ingat lang sa hagdan kasi uneven yung hagdan niya. So sa mga elderly na papasyal, alam nyo na. Dami pa lang kayo dito. Wow, ang ganda ng spot dito sa baba.
I left the hall light on in case you come back home. I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home?
Sarap! One more, one more!
I was sleeping with the light on dim.
Alright guys, enjoy naman tayo dito. Maganda din yung lugar, well developed, malinis, and ayan oh, good for picture taking. Gusto ko yan, tara, let's go. Lain mo, sa waterfalls may slide. Diyan oh.
I wanna try that. Oh.
Tara, let's try this.
My drone shots are crazy.
What
Yes.
is this sauce? Can we? Yes, we can. It is not. Oh. It is fun.
Alright, let's go. Let's try this. Ganda nito ah.
Dad, we're roommates, so we should go together.
Oh sure.
Kinakabahan ako.
Good luck, guys.
Let's go.
Ready? Bye guys! Bibilis yan! Woohoo! Uy! Oh!
Okay, okay.
Ready? That was awesome!
That was so sad.
Dapat si Daddy sa gitna.
Bakit?
It's not that scary.
Una ka eh. Mag-gaan ka. Ang pangit ang itsura ko sa drone. Para na!
What is that?
Paano nagsisisi ka, mami? Tara, ulitin natin.
No!
One more.
No.
One more.
Let's do it again.
Me and Dad. Me and Dad.
I wanna do it again.
I'll do it again.
You wanna do it again?
I want to do it again.
Mom, let's do it again.
Me and Dad.
My chest hurts.
Tara na, Rod. Round shot.
Bidang-bida yung ano, bidang-bida yon. Yan. Ganda niyan.
Going up.
Yung nag-slide, the best. Okay guys, next stop natin, after natin mag-slide at mag-enjoy sa magandang view ng waterfalls, welcome to Moana. This is a Moana Cafe. Ayun yung kani Moana. And basically, syempre, meron na naman ditong entrance. So yeah, keep on spending, mom. So, dito na kami ngayon sa Moana. Magpipicture daw kami dito. Wow, ang dami makikita dito, ah. Wow! Ano, mami, hindi ka takot dyan? Baka lumusot ka, ah.
Yan.
Hindi tayo lulusot, ah. Simon, hold it! Ay, shucks.
Sorry.
Remove your gloves. Paano mo kukunin ngayon pag dyan nalagdas?
Sa baba.
Mag-utos ng bag.
Baka mahulog tayo. Yan, tungo po. Oh, game. One, two, three. Yan. Tara.
I'm bad at using this.
It's okay. At least you try. Come on, I want to hear it. Because you're wearing your gloves. You know how to play piano?
Sort of.
It's a piano. If you don't know how to play it. And guys, ito yung makikita nyo dito. Meron siyang malaking, I don't know, deer. And then may piano. Tapos Bali gate.
So would you make me your selection? I'll give you good love and protection. I know this could be the night you make up your mind. Wishing for the best, wishing for the best. When I look at you, I melt. You're one of a kind. Just let me have you around. Don't say you don't wanna. It's a perfect night tonight. Above us only sky.
Okay guys, so we have enough. Tapos na kami mag-picture taking. Maganda naman yung lugar. Siyempre sa presyo niya, sabi ko nga, sulit naman. Marami kang pang Instagram post dito. Basta mahilig ka sa picture, mag-enjoy ka din dito. Kaya lang lahat sila, almost lahat ay man-made. So, nakakatuwa lang din kasi very resourceful sila. At naging tourist spot guys yung, yung isang lugar na view na ganito. So, ayan. Ito yung lugar niya sa labas. Ayan. Pau Spa. So, we're going na at we're going to our next destination. Hello! You okay, my friend? Let's go. It's getting cold. Okay, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa roller coaster spa. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yung lugar. Ayan yung lugar. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Oh, meron diyang mga natatakot na. Oh, are you scared? Pwede mong pabagalin.
Yun kasi mapili.
Pwede mong bilisan. Ayun, no? Bumabagal, no? Oh, talaga bumabagal, oh. Oh, ayun, no? Pwede mong i-brake. It's just like you're driving an automatic car. Ang bagal ng ipin ko. Boring na nga, eh. Yung isa excited. Yung isa. Let's go. Let's go. Let's just gonna buy the tickets. Let's go.
Dad, ayaw ni Ken. Dalawa na kami.
I'll go.
Ken naman.
Kasi naman, huwag niyong pilitin.
Ken, you're not coming?
Okay lang.
Are you sure?
Sabihin mo na dun sa rider. Ayun, dito.
Okay, we'll tell.
Wala kayong convincing power.
Come on, let's do our family crazy dance.
Wait, Dad.
What's your step? Oh.
Parang may problema ka.
Yeah. Guys, get your ticket. Here.
Dad, Simon, you wanna ride together?
Here. Simon, your ticket. Okay, let's go. Ticket. Thank you, sir.
I'm so excited.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Oh.
Are you excited? Come on, Max.
Yay! Oh
Yay.
my God.
Wow, tapang ni Max, ha?
Ang limak sa very good.
Wow, ah.
I might do the same thing.
Oh, I can't see anything. Let's go. Yay. Just be careful. Ride at your own pace. Let's go. Don't be scared. Tinutuyo nila. Okay, Max. Okay. Okay. Let's go, Max. Excuse me, this is the stop? Is this the brake?
Automatic brake.
It's automatic? We don't do anything?
Go to fast and slow.
Okay.
Fast and slow only, but don't stop.
Okay, okay. Oh, it's controllable. Let's go, Max.
Go!
Oh, see? You wanna take it slow, Max?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo. You wanna go some speed?
No? No?
This is a speed. Woohoo!
I mean,
Let's go. Woohoo! Woohoo!
I can imagine Hermes, Dad. I can imagine.
Hey.
I can imagine Hermes.
You gotta go some speed. Hey, that's so fun. Si Hermes, ang bilis.
Daddy ka.
Ah, Hermes, you're so fast. Hey, why you ride so fast, Hermes? Don't go so fast. Where is he?
Oh, God.
Oh, he's so fast.
Hermes,
Hey,
slow down!
slow down, Hermes. Sai-Sai's also fast. Woohoo!
Woo! Oh, Simon!
Hermes!
Oh,
Hermes!
Simon!
Hey!
I can imagine Simon right now. Oh, God.
Don't imagine your brother because they are fast. They are adrenaline junkies. Woohoo! Woohoo! Very control. Very control, ah. Slow. At the curve, slow. And I could make it fast. Oh, picture. Hey! I love it. Woo! Slow down. Hey! And then go fast. It's so fun. Woohoo! Whee! On the other side. Hermes, so fast. Hey, Hermes.
Oh, it's time to go up.
Oh, we're going up, up, padabod up. Oh, wee! Woo! Hey! Nag-cellphone ka pa, busit ka.
Simon!
Hey, Simon!
Simon! Yeah!
Simon! Hey, ang bilis si Simon, ah. Uy, yung bilis niya. Woohoo! Picture! Ah, yeah!
Okay, this is peaceful now.
Hey, it's so fun.
It's going so fast.
It's so fun. I wish Ken will try this.
Yeah, but
Let's convince Ken to try this one because
time, maybe.
it's so cool. Woohoo! That was fun.
there's a place
Woohoo!
where you can go again, Dad.
Hey! Let's do it again.
I don't think we can.
How is it?
Yes!
It's the best. Hey! Ang bagal pala eh. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Wow. Hey. Hey, Simon. You having fun?
Yeah.
Wow. Good job.
Did you ride fast, Gimon?
Yeah. I was like Superman.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Here's a ticket. Come on, Ken. I'm gonna ride with you. Don't worry. I won't go fast. It's very controllable. Halika, Mami. It's already here. Halika na. Kompleto to eh.
And it's okay.
Please don't go that.
Hindi. Second ride kami kasi gusto namin ma-experience nyo. Tara.
Saan yung pambayad niyo?
Wala. Babayaran pa lang doon. 100 na lang to per head. Come on.
Hindi na, okay lang kami. Ba't
Gusto ko nga ma-experience mo.
Ayaw nga eh.
Ikaw ang mag-control kay Mami. Huwag kong bibilisan. Pwede kasi dalawa tayo. Ako naman kay Ken para hindi siya malula.
Hindi ako kahit ako kay Ken. Okay, dalawa sila ni Mac.
Second trip daw is half of the price. Yung mga malululain, na-convince namin na sumakay din kasi masaya talaga. We don't want na ma-miss nila yung opportunity na matry nila to. Me go first? Okay.
Mom?
Oh, bawal lulain si Ken, okay? Sinong kasakay with Ken? Nagtuturuan.
Yung side view, diba?
Ano, doon na tayo?
Harap ka, sa likod ako.
Galit ka ba?
Ay, ako
Oh.
magkocontrol.
Ikaw magkocontrol o ako? Kaharap ka, ako magkocontrol. Left, left. There you go. Okay. Ready, Mommy? Are you scared? Hawak ka dyan. Second time around, kasama natin si Ella Max. Yay! Guys, ready na kayo? Let's go! Di ko bibilisan para sa'yo.
Buti lang ina mo.
Hindi, dahan. Ganyan lang kabagal,
Kaya ganito na.
Pero kung gusto kong bilisan, kaya kong bilisan.
Huwag mong bibili ka.
Ganyan lang. Enjoy lang natin. Enjoy lang natin. Bilisan ko konti. Huminto na tayo eh. Makabangga tayo sa likod. Yay! Kami ni Ella, ito, nag-enjoy lang kami dito. May mga anak mo, hahataw yan. Ken! Huwag mong bibilisan, Sai! Para di malula yan. Ken! Woohoo! Hey! Woohoo!
Simon!
Simon! Bibilis ako ng konti. Para may enjoy ng konti. Woohoo! Woohoo! Sarap, di ba? Ang ganyan lang, Pwede ko bagalan. Simon! Ay, nakayakap ako! Sarap! Mami, smile! Yan! Nung dumadaan ako dito si Simon, natulin. June, gumanon siya, Loko. Hindi nagbe-break kanina. Wala. Ay, si Saysay ngayon. Aboboringan yun, sabihin niya. Ang bagal niya sa akin. Yung kay Hermes, hinihintuan niya talaga. Pag malayo na ako, tsaka nabibilisan ganun. Gulo ko yung anak mong yan, Walang takot, Pero timong haba niya, Super stable. Yung bunso ko, yung kayakap ko kanina, ngayon naman yung jowa ko na. More speed. Hey! Okay, we're done our second trip. 100 only.
Full speed.
Alright, let's go. Ang saya nito. Mami, there's a photo there. You wanna check your photo, Mom? There. Oh no.
Why?
It's expensive. It's 300.
No, that's just see.
There, you ride by yourself.
What's the problem?
Hey!
Nalamangan mo ako dun,
I'm becoming a man.
Wow. I know. Mom, look. You see?
You're having fun. You're
Oh,
smiling.
having fun, You like it?
And the other one? Can I see me?
There's the other one there. Kailangan doon ako Since you're already going just to throw all this, the soft copy, can I have it? I buy lots.
Wait.
Just a soft copy. Yeah. Thank you.
You'll wait
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. You pay 1 million. So, naka 1 million tayo para sa picture. Aray mo.
Can we go in the corner?
No, we're gonna wait for 20 minutes. So, we already get our picture. Ganda ng picture natin. So, may pan-display na naman tayo. Instead of buying souvenir, picture na lang namin para may display namin sa bahay namin. So, let's go. We're our van. Ang ganda rin itong Ford Transit, Come on, please come in. Please come in. So, after natin doon sa roller coaster, we're going to a Trump.
Babe, come on.
Tabi tayo?
Yeah. Can sit together.
Oh, yeah. Kasya ba tayo dito?
Yes.
We're in a Trump and we're going to a good coffee shop. Bye, sir!
Bye. Mukhang masarap ang kape dito.
Masarap ang kape dito kasi ito yung dinarayo nila.
They have a heater.
Woohoo!
So good.
Put. Oh. Let's go. Nay. Ang ganda. Beautiful. Wow. Sapa, spa. Parang kami namasahe. Okay, so what's happening there? Nagkaka-order na kayo dyan? Libre?
Yeah.
Why it's free?
Sa ticket. Bayad
It's on the ticket. It's included. Okay, can you give me your best coffee? What is your best coffee here?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino with cinnamon. Okay, one for me. So this is the place, guys. Ganda, Ooh. Beautiful. Ganda.
How about you?
But it's so foggy. I think there's a better view pagka wala masyadong fog. We're here at Sapa. Alright, so andito tayo ngayon sa Sapa 1,600 Cafe at ngayon ay libre ang lahat ng orderin mo dito except sa matcha. But we're here to enjoy the view and to get more good photos. Ito na yung makikita nyo guys, ang ganda po. Yan, no? So this is the bar. Yan, dyan libre lahat. At sa top tayo ng mountain. At kasalukuyan ay medyo ma-fog yung area. Hindi mo masyado makita. So timingan yung pagpunta dito. Max is scared when you get fall. Okay? So, yan guys. So may mga picture area dito. The spider net.
Anyway.
Wala tayong makita ngayon. Blurred. And, pero maganda yung lugar ha. Tignan niyo yung lugar oh. Ma-fog lang kasi malamig talaga. Meron pa dun sa taas ng parang picnic area. So pakita natin kung gaano kaganda yung kape nila na libre sa lugar na to. Ayan guys, so parang nasa heaven, no? Yun na yung lugar. Oh. Nasa Alapa tayo. Take it slow, Hermes. Oh, ang galing ni Ate Hermes, oh. Very good ka talaga, Ate Hermes.
Hey, ma'am.
Kakapi tayo sa heaven.
Iba trip ng mga anak ko.
Oo nga, sarap.
It's not that cold. I don't need this one.
We have more croissants. I like the croissant.
Inumin mo na kasi baka mamaya lumamig pa. Guys, it's unlimited. Everything is free.
So, more croissants?
Yeah, you can get more croissant. It's free. Coming na, coming. Bumalik. Bumalik.
Dalawa yan. May extra pa tayong isa. Binayaran ko yung isa. What? Yeah, watermelon.
Can you ask pwede bang humingi ng croissant?
Sarap.
Somewhere in between. Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're going down kasi ayaw ni Ella dito sa langit. Maraas kasi dito. Wala rin naman kaming makita masyado guys. Ayan o. So bababa na kami sa lupa. Babay langit. Oh Hermes, hindi ka dumaan sa hagdan. Oy, tabi kami ng ina mo. Umalis, umalis. Tabi kami ng ina mo. Dito kami, tabi kami ng ina mo. Okay, let's go. Ayan, mami ha. As you wish, as you wish, as you wish. Wala si Auntie Paseng. Bye-bye, heaven! Woohoo! Hey, we're going down, down.
No, that's
Meron pa pala doon eh. Oh, it's a big hotel. This one is a big hotel.
Mom, we're going higher than heaven.
Parang ngayamanin dito, boss ah. Kaya ng pera mo to? Hindi ko kaya ng pera to kasi milyon-milyon ang bayarin dito.
Hindi kaya ng pera natin.
Baka dito, mami, bilyon-bilyon na.
Milyon-milyon lang sila pero kaya na.
Vietnam, ano ba? Vietnam dollar sila, di ba? Na, we're going down. Withdraw ka pa. So, 5 million to, no?
5 million.
Wala
5 million ka naman. Ay.
Sa all, may 5 million. Hindi, pisa mo ng 5 million. Punta na ako doon, magbabayad na ako.
Visit.
Here. I don't know how to count your money.
What's good?
How much is it?
Okay there.
Yeah, it's 5 million. 5 million?
Okay.
Yeah, it's a tip.
Come on.
Okay, for you, for you.
Thank you so much, bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Sarap mo mag-tip, Mami. 1 million. Right. Touchdown. Let's go inside. Let's take a rest. We're going to take our dinner later. Hey guys, what's up? So, ngayon naman magna-night market kami. Sama natin sila. Madilim ha. We have only 16 minutes walking. As lang tayo sa Google. Whew. Let's go here. Safe naman dito guys. Umaasa lamang kami sa Google Map. Ito yung mga paninda dyan, no? Oo. Pwede ka na mag-shopping dyan. This is the Sapan Night Market. Pensa na kayo, medyo mapaglang talaga. Pero okay naman, visible naman pa rin. Kaya lang sa personal, halos ito mo, naka-hazard na yung mga sakyan eh. Naka-super night mode pa tayo niyan. 13 minutes, 900 kilometer. Parang exercise na din. Tag-tag-taba kasi dami kong kinain kanina. Hi, pussycat! Finally nakakita tayo ng pussycat. Sa likod lamang kayo, guys. Okay? So far, so good. Wala naman po tayo nakikitang gulo or lasing sa kalsada. Even though late at night, okay naman siya. Tahimik yung lugar. Mga turista rin yung mga naglalakad dito. So, you see that? That's Chos Sapa Market. Food trip ba gagawin natin dito?
Welcome to Baguio Night Market.
Baguio Night Market. Mukhang okay nga dito ah. Para siyang maliit na Changi ba? Ito rin yung mga nakikita natin sa sa mga tourist spot. That's it. We walk this long for this. Hermes is asking, is that it? Sabi ni Hermes.
Okay, we can have the milk tea there. We can have a food tray, but not that. No.
Okay, you don't like street food, but have a milky coffee tea there. So, hindi siguro season ngayon. Hindi sulit yung lakad. Oh. So, yung mga lugar na puntahan namin, okay talaga yon. Pero ito, I'll be honest with you, parang siguro na-overhype lang sa mga event nila or sa social media. Hindi siya ganun ka-amazing, no? So, di tayo na-impress. Pero syempre, no comment about it. See for yourself na lang. Tinitignan ko din, baka kakakuha lang eh. So, ito yung morning niya sa Google. Ito lang din yung makikita niyo. So, it just turned out na dito lang kami, nagmi-milk tea sa gilid ng kalsada. Enjoy! Enjoy naman kayo, guys.
Yeah,
Mm.
it's very enjoying.
Good.
Di okay lang din na nakapaglakad-lakad tayo.
Yeah, natagtag yung ko. Yung kinain ko kanina, dami. Okay, babag na kami sa aming hotel. Meron naman siyang Grab na pwede kang mag-book, pero pwede ring taxi. I think that's expensive lang to. So, mas mahal nga siya ng 15,000. Pero mura lang naman yun. Thank you. Kapag Grab ang ginawa mo, 35,000 dong lang. Pero pag dito ay 50,000 per taxi. So, mas matipid pag Grab. Mag-grocery pa kayo? Okay, tara. Sige.